Okay, let's go through the installation process of the Odoo 17 module. You can find the Odoo 17 documentation on our documentation page. You have different ways to clone it from our repository, or you can download a file from our releases page, as well as download it from the official Odoo marketplace. And you search for BTCPay. The one which says BTCPay Server Team and Contributors is the right one. You can download version 17 or 16. But I will do it from our releases page. Open that in a new tab. Here you can see the release for version 16 and here for 17. I will copy the link and download it on my Odoo 17 server, which you can see here. I'm in the add-ons directory. You can see it's empty. So now let's get the zip. Then I unzip that file. You can see it has the payment BTCPay server folder in a subdirectory. So we now move it directly in the add-ons directory. Which you can see now. And now we will remove the zip file and the order directory. Okay, now we need to change the permissions to have the Odoo as a group. Group is Odoo. This depends on your setup, but I have a standard installation on Ubuntu and installed Odoo as a service. So it's in the official Odoo documentation like that. Okay, we now have downloaded the module and we made sure we are on the 17 version. We placed the payment BTCPay server directory in the Odoo add-ons directory. And now we need to install the dependencies, which we can do with pip install r requirements text from inside the directory. So let's go into payment BTCPay server. And now we run that command. Okay, good. We now can go to our Odoo 17 installation, which you can see here. We are already in the website. So go to website and configuration. We want to, First we need to go to apps and actually activate our BTCPay server module. Search for BTCPay. Here it is. You click activate. When you're redirected to this, all seems to have worked. We now go to website, configuration, payment providers. And now we can see BTCPay server payments is disabled. We now activate it and come to the configuration screen. So first we will enable it. Then next we need to go to our BTCPay server to get the BTCPay server URL. So my BTCPay server is hosted here. You can see at testing BTCPay tech. I copy that path and input it here. Make sure there is no trailing slash at the end. And now we need to go and get the pairing code. The pairing code, you can go to your store settings. Then you go to access tokens. Access tokens here. You click create token. You give it a label. request pairing. Next step, you just approve. And here at the top, you now have the access token, which we copy. Now let's go back to our Odoo and put it into here. Now click the tabulator key or click somewhere else and the pairing will happen. As you can see on the right side, the private key has been entered here, so the pairing was successful. Now just go to configuration and make sure payment journal bank is selected here. Okay, we are good. Let's save. Double check that the payment method is enabled, which you can see here. And now we can go to our homepage and actually test if everything works. So let's get a nice chair floor protection, add it to cart, view the cart, checkout, and you can see here our BTCPay Bitcoin Lightning payment is here. We click on Pay Now, and we will get redirected to our BTCPay Server page. And now I will pay. Okay, it was successful. Return to Odoo, and your payment status will get updated shortly. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this video helped you to integrate Bitcoin payments to your e-commerce store. If you have any questions, feel free to join our MetaMost chat and be sure to check out our installation documentation for Odoo.